I'm the big man, attorney Joey Franks, Big Man Law here in Jackson, Mississippi. And today we are back up to see Judge Middleton. And he does a classic Judge Middleton nice guy move. Let me know in the comments if you figure out where it's at. I'm not going to give anything away other than this guy's got a few charges against him. It's a little bit impressive, but take a look. We'll be back in just a second.
All right, these are several cases involving Bobby Lee Crandall. That's you, sir?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Crandall, let me see if I can get these in chronological order. I got stopped for driving suspended, second offense, and filed 25791 ST on April 25th. On that same day, April 25th, he was charged with driving without any valid insurance and filed 25792. Then on April 13th, he was again charged driving without any insurance and driving with a suspended license. That's 25904 SM and 905 ST. Then, just for extra measure, he got a new charge of driving suspended on June 26th and improper play of a registration plate. He hasn't even been arraigned on that charge yet, but I believe the prosecutor is aware of it. So there's a package plea agreement. The defendant is going to plead to one count of driving suspended second offense, and that would be in file 25791 ST. And everything else would get dismissed. Is that your understanding, Mr. Gibson?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm not sure if this new case was part of this. Were you aware of his June 26th case? Oh, wonderful.
He did, June 26th, you said?
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, I do remember him contacting me about that to inform me of it, but does that have a file number?
Yes, 25904 SM.
Okay, so it's my understanding that would be part of the package agreement.
Okay. All right, one DWLS second to encompass everything. Driving suspended second is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. Carries 2 points and requires that your license be suspended. You understand?
I'm sorry. I was talking with my lawyer.
Driving suspended second is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. You understand?
Yes.
All right, you're going to plead a DWLS second in file number 251241 ST. Dismiss all other files for P. Gibson, including driving suspended second is 798. All right, Mr. Crandall, you heard me go through the rights several times this morning. Do you understand you have those same rights?
Yes.
Did anybody promise you anything to get you to plead to this?
No, they didn't threaten me or anything else, please.
All right, well, let me take a look at your ticket, this particular one, 791. In that case, that was a ticket that you got Michigan Avenue Railroad Drive on April 25th. Driving suspended second, no insurance, and improper plate. 11 o'clock in the morning, Michigan Avenue and Railroad Drive, right downtown. Where were you going?
I was trying to check on some mechanic work at the time.
Was your license suspended at that time?
I think it was.
Yeah, in addition to all the ones here, you've got several in Kalamazoo. You got a September 23 case of driving without a license and you failed to pay the fine. No proof of insurance, driving suspended. 311 of 18, driving suspended, failed to pay a license 2016, and then these all right in a row. I don't get it. It's like you just don't care.
Well, I care, trust me.
You're driving with no insurance, no plate, and you get pulled over 3 times in 40 days for the same thing.
I have no fines here in this court.
I didn't see any in this thing. Let me look in here. You and I go back a long ways. 2001, driving expired, proper plate.
Do you know if the defendant has any alcohol related
No, I don't
offenses?
drink.
Okay.
No, I don't think there's driving suspended. You must have 15 driving suspendeds in here, going back to 2001, when I was still prosecutor. You got defaulted on the registration plate, but that's gonna be dismissed. I just don't get it. All right,
Can I explain?
yes,
My wife is dead. She's been dead for 10 years. I'm the only one where I'm at.
yes, and you told me that when I met you the last time.
Yeah, yes, and it still goes.
Yes, all right, well,
I got
that,
no family.
yes.
You think I'm lying to you? I'm not.
No, I believe everything you're saying, but that doesn't give you the right to just keep driving with no insurance and no plates, and you get arrested, you bond out, you get arrested, come back. They dismissed everything except this one-year offense. They don't want me to put you in jail for 1 year. They give you a $75 crime victims' right fee, a $50 state minimum fee, $125 to by August 31, 25. You're going to jail for 7 days, starting right now.
I'm going to jail?
Yeah, yes. You're gonna stop driving a car. You owe me $125 by 8/31/25. Yeah, you're going to jail. You got unpaid tickets in Kalamazoo. You must have 12 prior driving suspended charges. You get 3 in 50 days. Yeah, it's time for jail. You've worked your way up this calendar to the top of the list. 7 days in jail, you'll get a day of good time. You owe me $125 when you get out. You can go with a court officer.
Stand up, sir. Put your hands behind your
I
back.
don't have money right now.
You don't need any money right now. You just need to go to jail.
Hands behind your back. And reach your hands further behind your back.
Well, 7 days?
Yes. I can make it more if you'd like.
No.
Let's go, sir.
All right, Mr. Crandall, you're good to
When am
go.
I gonna be able to get out? Just a moment.
You'll get out in 6 days.
What is?
Yes, today's Friday. You'll probably get out next Thursday.
Let's go.
Do you have a pet?
Yeah, I got 3 of them.
All right, we're gonna let you make a phone call or somebody to take care of your pets.
All right, we're back. This guy has a lot of driving while licensed suspended charges. Check it out, he's dealing with 3 of them right here in this court, along with 2 no proof of liability insurance charges. Pretty impressive. Even more impressive is that his driving while licensed suspended habit dates back to Middleton's prosecuting days. I didn't realize Judge Middleton had been a prosecutor, so that's interesting to know. And he says it goes back to 2001 when he can see that stuff popping up. And he mentions a 2016 one, I think, out of Kalamazoo. This guy's it's kind of impressive. I've never seen anybody with 15 driving while license suspended charges. I don't think I've even seen anybody with quite 15 DUIs. So this is a little surprising and a first for me. Now, he gets offered what I think is a good deal. He's got a driving while license suspended, second offense, carries up to a year in jail and $1,000 fine. He's gonna end up serving 7 days in jail. I don't know anybody that gets excited about serving 7 days in jail, but I damn sure don't know anybody that gets excited about serving a year in jail. So it's not a terrible deal here for him. Now, the real question, did you catch the nice guy Middleton move? He lets him make a phone call so he can find somebody to take care of his pets. Never have I ever seen that happen. And there are some judges I would absolutely fall out of my chair if that happened. But it's Judge Middleton, so I'm not surprised at all. I had a great time doing this video. Hopefully we can get you some from Judge Simpson, maybe Judge Fleischer, something like that here in the future. But hope you're doing well. See you next time.